In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify Recovery Code. If you use two-step authentication on your Shopify account, recovery codes are your safety net. They let you get back in if you lose access to your Authenticator app or phone. Think of them as a backup key to your account, so it's important to know exactly where to find them and how to store them safely. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser. Head to the main Shopify homepage and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, look for the option labeled My Store. Click My Store to move into your store's dashboard. This takes you from the general account area into the place where you manage your store and account settings. Next, find your account menu, which typically shows your email address or account name near the top corner of the screen. Click your email to open the account options. This is where you can access personal and security settings tied to your Shopify login, not just your store data. It's the right spot for anything related to sign-in, authentication, and account protection. From that menu, choose Security. The Security section is where Shopify organizes settings for passwords, two-step authentication, and recovery options. This is the area you want whenever you need to update how you sign in or retrieve backup credentials. Inside Security, look for the Recovery Code section. You should see the option to view or reveal your recovery code. Click it to display the code, then copy it. Take a moment to save it in a place only you can access. A secure password manager is ideal, or you can store it in an encrypted note. If you prefer a physical backup, write it down clearly and keep it somewhere safe and private, away from shared spaces. Do not share this code with anyone and avoid leaving it in plain text on devices that other people use. Before you close the page, double-check that your code is saved correctly and labeled in a way you'll recognize later. Treat this like you would a sensitive password. If you ever change your security settings, remember to update your saved copy so it stays current. That's it. You opened the Shopify website, clicked My Store, selected your email to access account options, went into security, and then viewed and copied your recovery code to store it safely. With this done, you'll have a reliable backup to access your account whenever you need it.